Good morning, children. Yesterday we started our new lesson, the Earth in the solar system. In that class, we discussed what is full moon and what is new moon, and what is celestial bodies and stars. All these things detailedly we discussed yesterday and we studied. Today, I am going to explain about constellations and pole star and what is planet. And we are differentiating today planets and stars. How we can differentiate. All these things today I am going to take. Did you hear about constellations? What do you mean by constellation? Constellation means while watching the night at the sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These groups of stars is known as called constellations. Are you understanding? When you are watching night at the sky, you will notice that various patterns formed by stars. These patterns were known as constellations. Various shape we can see at the night. If you somehow curiously you observed in the night at the sky means you can understand these stars have groups, many groups. So and these groups make some patterns. That patterns of groups of stars is known as constellations. One example I will say Ursa Major, Big Bear, like a bear starts will make a group, forming a group. That is known as Ursa Major and Big Bear also. And famous constellation we can say that Saptarshi. It is very easy to find out. Saptarshi. Saptarshi means 7 stars or 7 rishis. Saptarshis. 7 stars. It is very easy to find out. So like this, many patterns we can see when we are observing night at the sky. These type of patterns were known as constellations. Sometimes this constellation help us to find out direction also, especially Saptarshi. We know that in ancient period, pole star, north star, we are helping us to find out directions. Pole stars. Pole star means which is in north side, one important star. How we can find out this north star, pole star? It is very easy. If you find out Saptarshi, you can find out north star, pole star. Saptarshi means it is a 7 stars group, 7 star. If you look at the board, you can see like this 7 stars, and the downside, if you look at a imaginary line, if you go through north side, you can find out pole star or north star. If you find out north star, you can find out south also, and east and west also we can find out easily. So Saptarshi is helping to find out pole star. Like that in ancient period, the people are using these kinds of stars, group of stars, patterns of stars to finding out directions. Now we are going to understand what is planet. We studied stars. What is star? Some celestial body, they are very big and hot. They have their own light and hot, and they are made up of gases. Such kinds of celestial bodies were known as stars. We studied already. Planet means some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. What is planet? Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the star. such bodies are called planets. Understanding? Now, will you differentiate planets and stars? Stars means some celestial body. They are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own light and heat. That kinds of celestial bodies were known as stars. Planets means some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. Our Earth is a planet. There are many other planets. So I think you understood that what is planet and what is stars, and now you are able to differentiate planets and stars. Okay, now I am giving one activity, that is you can in your social science notebook you can draw Saptarshi and you can find out, or you can give a definition for star and planet. Two activities I am giving. One is you can draw Saptarshis in your notebook, and another one you can give a definition to planets and stars. These two works you can do. Thank you.